Hi, this is Mike Snusz with Tatango, and I'm here to talk a little bit about how text messaging can be used for Run, Walk, Ride events. I started in the Run, Walk, Ride world 20 years ago, managing the ride for Roswell, and I've seen over the years how different digital communications can be used to drive event recruitment, coaching, and fundraising. But with the deliverability challenges nonprofits have seen the last 5-6 years, and either not getting into the inbox or getting into the crowded inbox and not getting clicked, it's time for nonprofits to look to other communication channels to make sure they're getting their messages in front of their participants so they can recruit them, they can coach them, they can lead to more money being raised, especially in the post-pandemic world and trying to recoup some of those captains and teams and money that was lost. Those email deliverability challenges can really hamper the efforts of trying to get your messages in front of your participants. Two things make Tatango's texting platform unique for Run, Walk, Ride organizations. One is that where nonprofits have been over the last 5-10 years is that to text their participants has been a very manual, time-intense process where often they've had to click a button every time they wanted to text one participant. So you can imagine trying to text 1,000 or 2,000 people. We've heard from nonprofits that they're having somebody click a button 1,000 or 2,000 times to be able to send text messages to their participants using peer-to-peer fundraising tools. Where Tatango is unique and different and can help nonprofits is that with one click of a button, you can reach thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of participants with a text message. And the ability to text thousands of people with one click saves an inordinate amount of time for nonprofits when they're trying to get their messages out, to reach their participants, to reach their team captains. So that's one thing. The other is the speed with which Tatango texts are delivered and reach your participants. And this really matters not only in recruitment times when, say, recruitment opens or there's a registration deadline or the registration fee is increasing, and we know people act more closer to a deadline if you can get the message in front of them, and Tatango messages are delivered incredibly fast, but it also can help to elevate the event experience of your participants. Imagine your participants the night before the event getting a text letting them know where to park, where to go when they arrive at the event, where to find the starting line or water coolers. And at the event, really elevating that event experience by giving them tips along the way while they're on the course when the after party is about to start. They're not going to be checking their emails at the event, but they will be checking their text messages. But you have to be able to deliver those texts quickly, at scale, to your entire participant base. And Tatango's text messages will ensure that if your after party is starting in 10 minutes, everybody's going to get that text message before the event starts. And that can really help them to have a better event experience, which can lead to them returning, growing their team, raising more money. If you'd like to see a sample text message campaign of what Tatango's text messaging with multimedia such as video and images and GIFs look like, you can text WALK to 800-800. That's the keyword WALK to the number 800-800, and you'll see a sample multimedia campaign that your participants could be receiving from Tatango's text messaging platform.